I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna teach you and you and you. And that's it. That's pretty much only those people are watching, so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make green chicken enchiladas. Enchiladas. I've been drinking. Alright guys, I'm going to share a couple of enchilada facts to make you seem like you know what you're doing. Fact number 1, Mexicans don't put olives in anything but potato salad. When I see a black olive in an enchilada, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be that kind of day. Black olives? Why? I don't know where this rumor started, guys. Who said put olives? I don't understand who started that trend. Was it New Mexico? Then that's Tex-Mex. That's not Mexican. That's Tex-Mex. Not Mexican. Stop calling it Mexican and putting black olives. Fact number 2. Most of you guys are using the wrong kind of lettuce. Yes, I've seen you guys make enchilada plates and then put really nutritional green, purpley lettuce on your enchiladas. Yes, it has nutritional value. Folic acid up the yin yang, but it doesn't belong in an enchilada. A good enchilada has iceberg lettuce. You want that lettuce for the crunch. That's all you're looking for the crunch. Fact number 3. I'm gonna get to teaching you how to do this, guys. Don't worry. I'm just giving you some wisdom. Who is putting cheddar cheese on chicken enchiladas? If it's a chicken enchilada, the only cheese it should have is cacique. You need cacique, okay? You need Jesus. Crumbled on the top of your enchilada. The reason we use this cheese is because we don't bake it. We use a baking casserole because this is the only place that contains our enchiladas, and we could double them up, triple them up, and they're not gonna fall over. There's no need to put enchiladas in the oven to melt that creamy cheese. Now, if you are not trying to make authentic Mexican enchiladas, then go. I'm not gonna stop you. I know they're delicious like that also. Are you trying to make an authentic dish, or are you trying to make a delicious? I was gonna say dick. Super stupid. Stop melting the cheese. I've lost count of what the next tip is. Tip number whatever. I forgot to include it. If you are in a pinch, and by in a pinch, I mean all the time I do this, go get a roasted chicken. Why are you gonna boil a chicken? Take all that time. Enchiladas are one of the quickest things you can make. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to make it fast, how to make it dirty. Well, not so much the dirty part, but I'm gonna teach you shortcuts to making an enchilada that seems to be authentic, but it's not, because we're gonna use a can. I know, you guys are all like, this bitch is preaching about authentic enchiladas and she's gonna use a can. I also said that I'm gonna make you seem like you're a real cook. Or did I edit that part out? Did I not include that? I don't remember. We're basically gonna make an enchilada appear as if it's an authentic enchilada, when in fact, it's not. So what are you gonna need? Shredded chicken, pack of corn tortillas, not flour, a can of Las Palmas. Make sure it's the green enchilada salsa. Also, pay attention to the heat thermometer over here. They got muy caliente, picante, medium, or you're a little bitch. Stop being a little bitch. Now, if you have a pansy living with you that you have to feed, have no fear, buy 2 cans. The honcho and mild for the kids. You will also need a Ziploc bag, big enough for tortillas. I know, I said it like that because it's so cool. Tortillas. A pot to heat the salsa, and the iceberg lettuce, but I don't have any iceberg lettuce. We're a little quarantined, so I just got romaine lettuce, so we're gonna use a lot of the bottom part too, so. And a casserole dish. Now don't go ahead and ask in the comments, how much chicken should I use? Fuck, I don't know how much, I don't know how many people you're feeding, figure it out. But I always use like 2 chicken breasts, that's the job. Now that you know what you'll need, let's begin. Step number 1, heat the salsa. Yeah. You might ask, why the stovetop? Why not just microwave it? Stop asking stupid questions. Meanwhile, you should have shredded chicken. If you do not have shredded chicken, start shredding your chicken. Now, if you're saying, how did you shred the chicken? What? If you need to know how to obtain shredded chicken, YouTube that first. Then come back to me. Next, you want to put your tortillas in a Ziploc bag. Now, I'm not an overachiever. I cannot put a ton of tortillas in here and then make the enchiladas all fast. Let's admit it, most of the time I'm cooking, I'm probably drinking, so shit slows down, okay? Not gonna lie. I put 5 at a time. That ensures me that I will be able to get them all done and the tortilla staying warm. I don't know your voltage of your microwave, but I usually put this for 30 seconds. And then I feel, are you soft? Are you hot? No? Another 30 seconds. While I have the tortillas in the microwave on standby, waiting for my 30 seconds to appear, I have my assembly line here. You got your salsa. I got it on the stove. It's boiling. I got my casserole dish empty, waiting for some enchiladas. And I got my shredded chicken. Now that we have our assembly going, let's talk techniques. Now this is where it differs from person to person. I knew a Mexican lady, let's call her Mom, that she would put all the chicken and the salsa all mixed together first and then dump it in there and roll it up. Let's call this one Mexican lady my mother-in-law. She gets the tortilla, puts it on the salsa, then puts clean chicken, and then puts a little salsa on there and rolls it up. Much cleaner, much cleaner. Whatever technique you want to use, just do what feels good to you. Doesn't matter. All you have to do is make sure that tortilla gets soaked with salsa, and then chicken with salsa gets inside, and you roll it up. This is how I like to do it. All right, now it's time to assemble. We got our salsa, still very hot. You will not feel your fingers, just so you know. My casserole dish, which I put a thin layer of salsa. I just like to start with a nice layer of salsa. This is not a casserole. This is not gonna be layers. I just like to put some salsa underneath, that's all. Got my chicken, and I got my tortillas. Get your tongs. You throw your tortilla into the pot, and you basically are saturating your tortilla with the sauce. You then put your tortilla in the casserole dish, get some chicken, did not shred that chicken good enough right there. Pour some salsa. After you did that, put all your chicken on one side and just roll it up to one corner. And then you repeat and repeat and repeat. So again, technique, whichever way you want to do it, you could do it. Just get the chicken and the salsa in the tortilla and have the tortilla soaked in salsa. Once you finish with your roll, you still have more enchiladas, stack it on top. And that's basically how you assemble enchilada. When I serve it, I always make sure to put extra sauce on the top, then your shredded lettuce, make sure, iceberg, then you top it off with cacique. Yeah. And there you have it, guys. Authentic green enchiladas. That's not so authentic. Don't forget, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not. Yeah. Bye.